My video is about getting rid of the fake Chrome survey alerts that are related to the website Milkcamehip.live. Some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by Milkcamehip.live. And keep in mind that all these pop-ups are totally faulty and absolutely deceptive. You should not trust them. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to force users into participating in a fake survey. The real purpose of this fake survey is to actually force users into sharing their personal details, their name, surname, email address, and other information. If you share your personal data through these fake surveys, your personal data may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So do not trust these deceptive and fake alerts. Just leave this deceptive page. We also recommend that you additionally investigate your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then begin researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.